This is a video to show you how to play Smoke on the Water. Very classic guitar riff that everybody recognizes. So I'll show you just what I'm doing with the strumming first, and then I'll do a close-up on the frets so you can see what frets I'm playing. So you can use either a guitar pick or just your thumb is fine. And I'm just going to play on the top string. This is an E string. So I'm just strumming the one string while I'm playing on the frets. Let's have a closer look. So I'm playing open, 3, 5, open, 3, 6, 5, open, 3, 5, 3, open, open. Make sure that you're pressing down in the middle of the fret. You might find that if you don't press hard enough or you're in a bit of the wrong spot, you get a buzzing sound. So just be careful if it doesn't sound like the note's coming through clearly. Maybe just try and move your finger a bit more in the middle of the fret. You can also try this on any of the strings, so it'll work whatever string. If I try on the second string, that's the A string. Do it on the E string. Some people find it easier to use their thumb. It's not really advisable if you want to get better technique-wise, but if you find like this is the only way you can do it when you're starting out, you can always use your thumb over the top. People seem to try that when they're just learning, so if it works for you, you can always try it like this. But the correct technique would be using your finger.